Good morning students. Hope you all are doing well. Myself Jyoti Tyagi, maths teacher in the Mount Olivet Senior Secondary School. Chapter number 1, Large Numbers. Dear students, in this video we'll be covering the remaining topics of the chapter. Let's start with our first topic, that is face value and place value of digits. So what is face value? Face value of a digit is the value of digit itself, irrespective of its place in the number. Let's take an example. The number is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Let's start writing ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. Here you can see that 8 is in the ones place, 6 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the thousands place, and 2 is in the 10,000s place. But the face value of 2 is 2 itself. Face value of 4 is 4 itself. Similarly, the face value of 5 is equal to 5 itself, and the face value of 6 is equal to 6 itself, and at the last face value of 8 is 8 itself. So here it is very much clear that the face value of any digit is the digit itself. So what is next? Now place value. Place value of a digit depends on its place in the number. Here we have one formula to find out the place value of a digit. Let's have a look. Place value of digit is equal to face value of digits into value of the place. Here we have one example. 4, 6, 8, 7, 3. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. Now the place value of 4 is equal to face value of 4 into में value of the place, that is 10,000. Now the place value of 4 is equal to 40,000. Now the place value of 6 is equal to face value of 6 into में value of the place, that is 1000. Now the place value of 6 is 6,000. Next is place value of 8. The place value of 8 is face value of 8 into में value of the place, that is 100. 8 into 100 is equal to 800. So the place value of 8 is 800. Similarly, place value of 7 is the face value of 7 into में value of the place, that is tens. So the place value of 7 is 70. Now we have place value of 3. The place value of 3 is face value of 3 into में value of the place, that is ones. So this is the method to find out the place value of any digit. Here I am taking one more example. Here we have 4251. In this I will tell you one more method to find out the place value of any digit. यहाँ मैं आपको एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल देने वाली हूँ जिसकी हेल्प से आप किसी भी डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू सेकेंड्स में फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज़ 1. 1 के आगे कोई डिजिट नहीं है तो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज़ 1. द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज़ 5 के आगे 1 डिजिट है तो पुट 1 0 हेयर. नाउ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज़ 50. सिमिलरली द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज़ 2 एंड 2 के आगे कितने डिजिट्स है 2 तो पुट 2 0 हेयर. 200 इज़ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2. इसी तरह से 4 की भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू होगी 4 एंड हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर 3. तो 1 2 3 4000 इज़ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4. So this was all about place value and face value of digits. Expanded form of numbers. Dear students, here we are going to study about expanded notations. Do you know what is an expanded form of numbers? Let's have a look. The expanded form of a number is obtained by writing the number as the sum of place value of each digit. Let's look at the number 74635. We are representing this number by writing it in the expanded form. Let's represent the number. First, write the number in the place value table like this. Now, look at the digit at the ones place, that is 5. So, the place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. Now, look at the digit at the tens place, that is 3. So, the place value of 3 is 3 tens, that is 30. Now, look at the digit at the thousands place, hundreds place, that is 6. So, the place value of 6 is 6 hundreds or 600. Similarly, the place value of 4 is 4 thousands or 4000. Now at the last we have 7 and the place value of 7 is 7 10,000s. Here we have 70,000. Now एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म फाउंड आउट करने के लिए हमें इन प्लेस वैल्यूज़ को ऐड करना होगा एज शोन हेयर. 74635 इज इक्वल टू 70,000 प्लस 4,000 प्लस 600 प्लस 30 प्लस 5. सो expanded form of 74635 is equal to 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. In this way we can expand any number. Now representation of numbers on abacus. We have learnt the representation of 4-digit numbers on abacus. A 5-digit number 15026 or 15,026 can be represented on abacus as shown here. 6 bits in ones spike, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 bits in tens spike, no bits in hundreds spike, 5 bits in thousands spike, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 1 bits in 10,000s spike. So this is the representation of numbers on abacus. In figure it is written as 15026 and in words as 15,026. Now let us write the number represented on the spike abacus. It has 6 bits in 10,000s spike, 3 bits in thousands spike, 4 bits in hundreds spike, no bits in tens spike and 1 bits in ones spike. So the number is 63401. In figures it is written as 63401 and in words as 63,000 401. So this is the concept of abacus.